Let me guess. You do push-ups almost every day. Your arms feel tired, your shoulders burn, but your chest? Still flat. Here's the brutal truth. Push-ups aren't failing you. You're failing the push-up. And today, I'll show you exactly why your chest won't grow and how to fix it starting today. 2 value promise. By the end of this video, you'll know why push-ups hit your shoulders more than your chest. The one adjustment that instantly improves chest activation. How to turn basic push-ups into a real chest-building exercise. And a simple 7-day plan to finally feel your chest working. No gym, no weights, just smarter push-ups. Step-by-step content. Main teaching. Step 1. Understand the real job of the chest. Your chest doesn't push the floor. Your chest's real job is horizontal adduction, bringing your arms toward your body. Most push-ups look like this. Arms go up and down. Elbows flare. Shoulders do all the work. That turns push-ups into a front shoulder exercise, not a chest builder. If your arms move but don't squeeze inward, your chest stays lazy. Step 2. Fix your hand position. This is huge. If your hands are too far forward or too narrow, your chest checks out. Here's the fix. Place hands slightly wider than shoulders. Fingers lightly turned outward. Hands positioned under your chest, not your face. Think this cue. Back and index pointing right. I'm bending the floor inward. Even though the floor won't move, your chest will switch on immediately. Step 3. Slow down or stop complaining. Fast push-ups equals momentum. Momentum equals 0 muscle growth. Chest muscles love slow stretch, controlled squeeze. Try this tempo. 3 seconds down. 1 second pause at the bottom. 2 seconds up while squeezing chest. Yes, it burns. That burn is your chest saying, finally. Step 4. Depth is non-negotiable. Half reps don't protect your joints. They protect your ego. Your chest grows in a deep stretch at the bottom. Rule. Chest comes just above the floor. Elbows at about 30 to 45 degrees, not flared like wings. No depth equals no stimulus equals no growth. Step 5. Progressive overload, the missing piece. Doing the same 20 push-ups forever won't build a bigger chest. Your chest needs progression, even with body weight. Progress like this. Elevate feet. Add pauses. Slow the tempo. Switch to decline or archer push-ups. If it doesn't get harder, your chest has no reason to grow. 4 common mistakes. Relatable plus slight humor. Let's expose the chest killers. Mistake number 1. Elbows flared like chicken wings. Congrats, you trained shoulders again. Mistake number 2. Rushing reps. If your push-up sounds like a bounce, your chest is asleep. Crossmark mistake number 3. No mind, muscle connection. If you're counting reps instead of feeling muscles, you're just exercising, not training. Mistake number 4. Same reps, every day, forever. Your chest adapted months ago. You didn't. 7-day action plan. Practical and simple. Day 1 to 2. Activation reset. 3 sets of slow push-ups. 3. 1-2 tempo. Focus on squeezing chest every rep. Day 3 to 4. Stretch and control. Deep push-ups with full range. 1 to 2 second pause at bottom. Stop 1 rep before failure. Day 5. Intensity day. Decline or feet elevated push-ups. 4 sets to near failure. Slow negatives. Day 6. Light pump day. Knee push-ups or incline. High reps, slow squeeze. Focus purely on chest feeling. Day 7. Test day. Do regular push-ups with perfect form. Notice the difference. More chest burn, less shoulder pain, better control. If you don't feel your chest more after 7 days, you're officially allowed to complain.